First of all, happy Navratri or Durga Puja, guys. Today is the ninth day of Durga Puja, and I have a very good news for me because I hit 500 subscribers on YouTube this month. And yeah, now I know this may sound small to some people, but it means a lot to me. Now, today we hit the 500, and yeah, I know I couldn't be more excited, and this is just the beginning. Now there's 500 amazing people backing this channel, and yeah, I am hoping that we will hit the next 500, that is 1000 soon. So keep supporting me, and yeah, if you haven't still subscribed to my YouTube channel, then do that quickly. So subscribe to my channel and be a part of this family. And yeah, our next stop is 1000. Wearing these beautiful bangles, so perfect with outfit today, my kitty. So these are the earrings I'm wearing today, and this is my handset, and I will show you guys my full outfit after I go out.